Okay, happy Lunar New Year. It is after midnight. They're still setting shit off over there. Unfortunately, the batteries were dead at midnight. Oh, I will take that now. Thank you, sir. It was like everyone was shooting off fireworks at midnight. Right now you can just see the flash over the buildings from my room. You can see everything. They were going off between those buildings at the end. It was frickin' beautiful. Those ones are coming from the May 5th part, which is where Al and I were when we were setting off fireworks. That car really doesn't like it. Its alarm keeps going off. Oh, the bloody paper over there. Holy shit. See, I told you by the time we got down, they're not going up between the buildings anymore. Someone's got a dead battery in the morning. But yeah, at midnight when Lunar New Year hit, oh, that hasn't blown up yet. It was like you said, it was like a crescendo. Everything went right up. Look at the smoke in the air. Okay, evidently that's not supposed to blow up. Or it is, and he's very stupid and gonna poke it with a stick. Oh, they got another box over there, ready to go. I swear, whoever's in the apartments right there, well, since this afternoon, they've been setting fireworks off. Noisemakers, flares, the whole works, and they're still doing it. He is poking it with a stick. Could this be a Darwin Award winner? Hard to say. My vote would be no. Well, maybe. That's what they were poking with a stick. Oh, he's lighting something off. Okay, one of them gave up on poking it with a stick, and he's lighting something off right there. Oh, they've got something crackly to whip around. Ooh. Oh, he's got one of the Mondo strands. Don't know if I got it or not, but the guy who ran was actually touching that just before it exploded. Oh, it's gonna get really noisy really quick when he lights. Oh, look how long it is. There's a... Fuck. Oh my God, it's longer. I gotta see them light that now. They're still spreading it out. And that's the pile they were poking. And they're still kicking shit at the pile, and it's still exploding, which would make one think you shouldn't touch the pile. And they've lit the string. And that pile's still exploding, and that stretches to up there. And that car wants to turn into there. A little late night biking. That was another explosion from the pile. I don't know if I'd be touching that strip, man. Nah, he's gonna light it. Of course he's gonna light it. And they're still playing with the pile. And they relit it. And they're off and running. The little one's taking the lead, but the big one's coming up behind.